This is lesson 7.3 in pre-algebra unit analysis 3, having to do with weight. This is a very short chapter or section. It's only 2 pages long, so that should make it nice. Above on the page here, I have the units of weight in the U.S. system there for you, so that we can do example 1 and 2 real quickly, just looking at that table there. So example 1, we are converting 12 pounds, and I'm going to use the symbol LB. I have no idea why, but that's the symbol for pounds, and we're doing that to ounces, and the symbol for ounces, again, no idea why, is OZ. So 12 pounds to ounces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write my 12 pounds times line pounds, and I'm going to look at my conversion table up here, and I've got an ounces to pounds right here, and it says when pounds is on the bottom, we put a 16 on top. So 16 ounces on top, 1 pound on the bottom. This is the same as 12 over 1, so I just multiply 12 times 16 and get 192. My pounds crossed out, and I'm left with just ounces, and that's what I have for my answer. And I'm going fast because we've done this over and over and over, so it should be pretty clear how this works. Looking at example 2, we're changing 3 tons to pounds. So I'm going to write 3 tons times line ton, and I'm going to look at my table and see if I have a ton to pounds reference or relationship, and I do. And when tons is on the bottom, I put 2,000 pounds on top. Cancel my tons, multiply 3 times 2,000, and 3 tons equals 6,000 pounds. We can look and see that we have a conversion of milligrams to grams, and when our milligrams are on the bottom, we use this one. So we're going to use 1 gram over 1,000. Centigrams, and centigrams is CG. So we're going to go 3 kilograms times line kilograms on bottom. And the question is, do we know if there's a relationship between kilograms and centigrams over here? So we have to go from kilograms to something, and the only one they give us is kilograms to grams. So we'll do that first, and then we'll see what we can do from there. So kilograms to grams. When kilograms is on the bottom, 1,000 goes on top. And then I can cancel my kilograms off. And now what I'm interested in doing is, well, let me put my X and then my line. And I've got a gram left. So is there a relationship between grams and centigrams? Well, let's see. Right there is centigrams and grams. And in this case, I need to know what to put here. I have gram there, so I'm going to put a gram down there. So when there is a gram on the bottom in this conversion, 100 goes on top. So I'm going to put 100 centigrams and 1 gram there. And I can cancel that one and that one. And centigrams is what I'm looking for, so I know I can stop. And so my numerators multiplied is going to be 3 times 1,000 times 100 divided by, and there's nothing down here except ones. So I get 3 times 1,000 times 100 is 300,000 centigrams. And one of the nice things about multiplying numbers in the metric is they're all thousands, hundreds, tens, millions. They're all ones with zeros following them. And one of the things that you can do, so that you're not taking your calculator and do 3 times 1,000 and then that answer times 100, I know they look like sixes, those are all zeros, is just count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then take the 3 and put 5 zeros after it, and you're done. You don't have to actually go through the multiplication. Just go 3 and then put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros after it, and you're done. So that saves you from having to grab your calculator. Alright, so one more example here, and we'll look at example 4. And in this particular example, we have a bottle of vitamin C. It has 50 tablets. Each tablet contains 250 milligrams of vitamin C. What is the total number of grams of vitamin C in the bottle? So, we have 50 tablets. So I'm going to write 50 tablets. And each tablet is 250 milligrams. Well, it's asking me the number of grams in the bottle. Well, I have to find out how many milligrams are in the bottle before I can convert them to grams. And I know if I have 50 tablets and each one has 250 milligrams, if I take 250 milligrams times 50 tablets, that will tell me how many milligrams are total in the bottle. So I have 250 milligrams. So I'm trying to convert that amount of milligrams in the bottle to grams. So I'm trying to convert that to grams. So I'm going to write 12,500 milligrams times line milligrams. And do I know anything about milligrams and grams? Well, if you look back real quickly at that last table,